Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a program for your practical file to calculate compound interest. For the calculation of compound interest, it is little different from the calculation of simple interest that you have done in the first program. It is also straight formula based coding. There is no any branching using if statement. There is no any looping using for loop or while loop. So straight formula is there. Simple sequential programming it is. Formula is A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power T. It will calculate compound amount. Then compound interest can be calculated using compound amount minus principal. In this, A is amount, P is principal, R is rate of interest, T is time taken. Now let us go for writing the codes. For writing the code directly in Python IDE, I have written over there, then cropped the code window over here in this slide. So to compute compound interest, I have given a comment here using hash symbol. You can write any descriptive line for the description about the program, where P is principal, R is rate and T is time period given if amount is compounded annually. I am importing a math module, import math, because of I have to use the POW function which is part of math module. So once I import math module, I am able to call POW function in my programs. What for? To calculate the exponent. Because in the formula you can see here P into R 1 plus R by 100 power T. So for power, for raised power, either you can use exponent symbol, that is double asterisk, or you can use math.pow function. So I am going to use POW function of math module. So amount is calculated as P into math.pow 1 plus R by 100 has been converted into 1 plus 0.01 into R in place of R by 100. It is same value. So 1 plus R by 100 comma T, that means its power T. This POW function will convert into raised to power T. 1 plus R by 100 raised to power T. Amount is calculated. After calculation of amount, we will calculate compound interest by writing amount minus principal. Formula. Compound interest is calculated and it has to be displayed using print function. Print function के साथ एक prompting message string के form में it will appear as it is. The green one will appear as it is in the output, comma, then the value of Ci, whatever is calculated, will appear in the output. So end of the program using a comment. Now let us see the output. How after executing by pressing F5 की फंक्शन की F5 की प्रेस करने के बाद इसका एग्जीक्यूशन मोड में इट विल प्रॉम्प्ट द मैसेज एंटर प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट whatever message we have written here in input function will prompt and will ask for the value to be entered by the user. So suppose user has entered 2 lakhs, then it will be prompted enter the rate of interest per annum, have been entered 10.5, enter time period have been prompted 3 years, then compound interest has been calculated as 69,846.524999 whatever. So this is your output has appeared on the screen. For this I can show you directly in the Python IDE also. The same thing will happen in Python IDE. You can see this is your program, the same program that I have copied in the slide. So I am pressing F5. After pressing it will ask for the principal amount. Suppose I am writing 2 lakhs. Enter. Rate of interest say 10.5, then time, suppose I am writing 3 years, so it is giving the same answer 69846.524. Once more you can execute and enter the different values. Press F5. Principal amount 3 lakhs, rate of interest 8.5% per annum, and time is 5 years. So you can see 1,51,097 is the compound interest calculated on 3 lakh amount at the rate of 8.5% per annum for 5 years. In that way you can calculate compound interest. So it is very simple, and you might have understood it well, because it is very simple, it is not so difficult. So this is the way how we can calculate the compound amount. Then compound amount minus principal will give you the compound interest. If you have understood this program well, this is the second program I am telling you for your practical file. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends so that they can also develop the practical file accordingly. Thank you so much. Thank you.